guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Monthly Moist. This is a monthly, it's a brand new subscription. It's a lip balm subscription. The name is hilarious. Their website's super cute. You have to go check it out, and there's all sorts of tongue-in-cheek jokes. So this is $6 monthly. And then there are reduced prices the longer you go. So if you just want your lip balm sent to you and you don't want all the fuss of going out and having to pick it up, this is the way to go. It just comes in this little package, and it does say Monthly Moist. I think that's hilarious. So here's our little card that came with it. It says moist, the word everyone loathes, the feeling everyone loves. Monthly Moist. We'd kiss you if you stalked us on Instagram and tagged those newly luscious lip flaps of yours with help us fight crack. That's their like hashtag fight crack 1 month at a time, which is super hilarious. And then it says Monthly Moist. It's your stick in a box. Hello, happy mouth flaps. Thank you for your commitment to fighting crack. Monthly Moist. Goodbye, barren sandpaper lips. It's just like the coolest little box. Isn't this adorable? It's hilarious. All right, so let's see their little chap stickers. I'm ready. I'm ready, baby. All right, so there's 1, 2, and then a paper. What's the paper for? There's 2 tubes in each. The February box. February, the month. Oh my gosh, isn't this hilarious? It comes out like this scroll, the Elder Scroll. All right, February, the month of love, makes you either want to vow, vom. No, to vom. I'm like, oh, I saw it upside down. To vom or kiss. Either way, we thought this flavor pairing was a pro. When I dip, you dip, we dip, aka chocolate, or chick and chick flick, aka strawberry. So let's see. So this is the Papa Cap Fight Crack. Oh my gosh. And they do have SPF, which is really cool. And this is the strawberry aloe vera safety sealed. Well, I'm really glad for that. Ooh, it's nice. Smells good. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to. I always catch myself doing that. It's one of those really softer. There are lip balms that are really firm, and then there are ones that are softer. These are a little softer, which I like that. I think they're both good for different things. I like these for like every day, all day. I like the firmer ones for under, like right before you put on lipstick, because I feel like you get like a really heavy coating with those. I feel like under some lipsticks you need it. Ooh, this is super chocolatey. I'm just going to mix them. Who cares? I have strawberry chocolate lips. So that is super cute, right? Only $6 a month. I'm going to link down below 2 Monthly Moist. I'll also link to my full blog review where you can check out them in photos and stuff like that. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!